Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance Flow, where we talk all about personal finance, saving smarter, and taking control of your money. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can save $10,000 in a year, even if that sounds impossible right now. We'll go step by step, from setting your goal to finding money in your budget you didn't know you had. So grab your notebook, and let's get started. Step 1. Know your why. Before you even start saving, decide why you want that $10,000. Is it for an emergency fund, a car, a house deposit, or maybe financial peace of mind? When you have a clear reason, saving stops feeling like a chore. It becomes a mission. For example, when I started saving for my first emergency fund, just imagining the relief of not living paycheck to paycheck kept me motivated month after month. Step 2. Break the big goal into smaller ones. Saving $10,000 sounds huge, but when you divide it, it's totally doable. Here's how it breaks down. $10,000 a year equals $833 per month. That's about $192 per week, or roughly $27 a day. When you look at it that way, it feels much more manageable. Your job now is to find where the $27 a day can come from, and we'll do that together in the next steps. Step 3. Build a budget that supports your goal. Start by listing your income and fixed expenses, things like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. Then look at your flexible expenses, eating out, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions. Now, find where you can trim. Maybe you can cut eating out by $100 per month. Cancel unused subscriptions for $30. Reduce impulse spending by $50. That's already $180 per month, and you're almost a quarter of the way to your monthly target. Step 4. Automate your savings. As soon as your paycheck hits, transfer your saving amount into a separate account. Treat it like a bill you have to pay, except this bill is paying you. If you set up an automatic transfer of $200 per paycheck, you'll barely notice it, and it removes the temptation to spend that money. Consistency beats intensity here. Step 5. Cut costs strategically. You don't have to sacrifice everything. Just be smart about your biggest expenses. Here are a few examples. Brew your coffee at home instead of $5 cafe drinks. That's $100 plus saved monthly. Cook more meals at home, saving another $150, $200. Share rides or use public transport twice a week, another $50 saved. These small shifts alone can help you find $300, $400 every month. That's nearly half your goal already. Step 6. Increase your income. There's only so much you can cut, so look for ways to earn more. You can freelance using your skills, pick up weekend shifts, sell unused items online, or start a simple side hustle like tutoring, content writing, or digital design. Even earning an extra $200 a month adds up to $2,400 a year, a massive boost to your goal. Step 7. Avoid lifestyle creep. That's when your income goes up, and your spending rises right with it. If you get a raise or side income, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, keep your expenses steady, and send that extra cash straight into savings. It's one of the simplest ways to reach $10,000 faster without feeling deprived. Step 8. Visualize your progress. Use a savings tracker, a progress bar, or even a jar you fill with cash as you go. Seeing your progress grow each month keeps you motivated. When you hit small milestones, like your first $1,000 or $5,000, celebrate in a budget-friendly way. Small wins keep you going strong. Step 9. Make your money work for you. If you built an emergency fund and want to grow your savings faster, consider automating small investments into index funds or high-yield savings accounts. Even a 3 to 4% return can add an extra few $100s a year, helping you reach your $10,000 goal sooner. And finally, step 10. Review and adjust each month. Some months you'll save more, others less, and that's fine. Check your progress monthly, adjust your budget, and stay consistent. The key is momentum. Once you see progress, it becomes addictive in the best way possible. So that's your step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in 1 year. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow faster than you thought possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more practical money tips every week. I am from Finance Flow, helping you make your money flow smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.